How to change your age on Tinder. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you if it's possible or not to change your age on your Tinder account. For that, make sure that you have installed a Tinder application. Open your app and get logged into your account. If you tap onto your profile, you will be able to see your name and your age and your profile picture. So now let's go ahead and change it. Tap on the pen icon. As you can see that if you scroll below, you cannot see the option where you can change your age, neither can you change your name. So the name and your age are the only pieces of your profile that you cannot update once you have created an account. In case you think you have mistakenly added wrong age onto your profile, you can go ahead and create a new account using Tinder, and that way you can easily add this time a correct account or correct name on your Tinder. Just like so guys, the purpose of this video is not to distract you, but to give you right information about what you can and cannot do. That is all for today's video. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.